Milan on his wheel, and they are making no inroads on the top two in the general classification at this point, but there's still a kilometre, Matt, of racing to go.
There is indeed. Geraint Thomas after a flick of the elbow. And it's like there's an attack from Pogacar. Does he go on the right-hand side? It's somebody from Polti Cometa now driving through. What a finish this is. 750 metres to go. It is our race leader on the front with Geraint Thomas on his wheel. But it's Alaphilippe bringing it back together with Milan on his wheel.
Still haven't got him though. Tadej Pogacar drives it on again. Thomas on his wheel. They looked round and they're going to... Pogacar's asked for help from Thomas and he's not getting it. Thomas gambling that Pogacar's going to lead him out to the line. When's he going to open up his sprint, Geraint Thomas? Still got a couple of seconds in hand, but that finish line is agonisingly distant still. Tobias Lund being led out by Matteo Trentin. Here come the sprinters. Thomas is swamped. Pogacar tries to sprint for the line. Lund Andersen, Dainese, and here comes Ethan Vernon from Great Britain and Jonathan Milan. Milan finishing fast. Malia on the other side of the road. Milan with the chance for the line.